I bought one thing from TikTok shop to hang some shit on my walls, and the screws are too small. I'm like, you gotta be shitting me, bro. They gave me the brackets for no screws.
I also got a digital camera.
Oh.
Nice.
But it does swim in a lot.
Yeah, it's pretty good for the price.
How much? Oh, you said 35.
35. It's on special. Apparently, it's one of those regularly costs like $90.
Cutty.
The audio's not that bad either. Unlike my DSLR, that's just not like ass. You could flip the camera, like the lens.
Oh, like to record yourself?
What's up, vlog? What's up, vlog? Today's episode
is finals week or your final week?
Oh no, we're all gonna fail.
I don't know who's we all. Who's we all?
Oh, I mean, we all gonna pass, guys.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Academic weapons, not victims. Think about it. Hey.
Sup, chatters? Here again. The SGA.
Sorry, I forgot to add the two.
I'm here with Senator Andrea.
Attracting younger members
you know,
is essential to the
I'm in
future of our
class.
credit union. Yet many
Oh, you can see my shadow. Ooh, not my shadow, my reflection.
are not choosing us when making early financial
I'm
decisions.
writing my paper. That's
To
due in a
address this
bit,
issue,
and I have my
propose a
lab
targeted marketing
due, and
campaign focused on financial
have my lab
planning
and my
for our
final
students and
due.
young professionals.
Yeah,
Reaching
chat. She
members
called
at
me.
this
She said
stage
we were gonna get
helps
food,
build
but I guess we got food here.
Bro,
You know,
fucking
so-
Blame Martin, man.
for our- Sorry.
I want water,
Sustain-
though.
So chatters, what will
Sustainability growth for our
Guys, what will I do? Option 1, go home
I
and not eat
understand
anything.
there are concerns
No.
about
Two,
campaigns that were not successful.
get expensive
Which is
food
why
because
this-
we're out. It's
which is
very
why
expensive
this
in the city.
initiative
Or
would
step
begin
3,
as a small pilot with a clear
find the
performance
reminiscences
goal
of something at home
to
and
reduce
probably
risk
cook one
and
egg and
measure
call it a day.
results.
I got you,
I'm
bro.
asking for
Let me go get
approval
Martin,
for
bro.
relevant
Let's go get him to get
Oh,
more.
he's having his conference, bro.
Huh?
He's having his meeting.
What do you mean?
They're having a serious meeting. They're having a serious meeting.
So are you going to NYU?
You got TMZ over here.
Type shit, bro.
Yeah.
You're Mariah Carey.
Who told you could call me bro?
Lil bro.
I know you're not talking.
Lil bro. Okay, bye. Say hi.
Am I talking to the vice chair of community colleges? Am I?
Bro, Tyler went to a horrible community college. You know, without campaigning, I got 5 votes. If I campaigned, I would have beat them. Where's Mama Duke? Mama Duke. Mama Duke. He's not here? What a loser, damn. Where is Mama Duke?
Would you be a good cameraman?
Look, I'd be in
Oh my god, it's Senator Andrea.
This is Jonathan, his natural habitat. I don't know what he's doing here, but he's just here vibing. Would you like to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
He's always wearing those Dr. Martens.
I am.
Unfortunately. Why are you shaking?
Cuz.
Ain't no fucking
Oh, fuck you, bro.
I'm in my natural habitat.
Are you not? I swear you're
I'm
in
just
here.
locked in,
You're
bro.
always here daily on your laptop.
I'm here for one reason and one reason only.
Oh shit. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
You're looking for James or Martin?
I'm here for one
Oh, they're in that room.
reason only. This is not my natural habitat. Little Jester.
Okay, I need to lock in, bro. I have a paper, I have a math final, I have 2 labs too, and I have my paperwork for HR for Blackstone. Kill me! Watch me pop.
Oh, wow.
Come on, let's go bother them.
I wasn't joking. Yeah, they took them. By day and each
Should I go in?
other.
Hey, take care. Are you busy?
Got James in the cut.
Yo. Give us like 2 minutes.
Ah, shit.
Ooh, you got
Oh,
them
you
in-
scared them away, bro.
You scared them. You got them in trouble.
The hell?
Ah.
This is what finals weeks does to somebody, guys. If you she starts crying.
Yeah, I need to see this video. Girl, I can't wait 20 years down the road. You pull out this video, you'll be like, who is this crazy ass girl?
The MCC college student.
You telling me I should talk in? That was me being a little silly.
Oh my god, guys, we're back here. My camera froze earlier. Catherine's doing her work.
Shit, I was dapping up a Mario like last week.
Andrea's over there with the brightest fucking monitor ever.
She better get us caught.
You.
Nah, this will get him caught.
Andre's gonna get us caught because Dev's gonna snitch on her again.
Sup, chatters. I don't even know if you can see, but I'm gift wrapping. Holy shit. Sup, guys? Another vlog, kind of. This is off the camcorder. So the volume's ass. Not my fault. But it is 12:50. Supposed to be getting to campus like at 3 or 2. So I have an hour and a half to gift wrap. So let's get to the nitty gritty. Why is my clothes here? I'm not gifting myself. Stress. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, about the stress ball. Who needs a stress ball that I know? So never again. Nah, I'll gift it to myself. This is more clothes for myself. Okay, boom. This is for Jean Pierre. Oh my god, I need to just fucking check off the thing. W. It's for Jean Pierre. Cool ass fucking QR code, bro. But yeah, this is for Jean Pierre. He says he's a large, bro. There's no way this shit is fitting him, bro. It's a car. Very simple, very relaxed right now. I think it fit him. So I got it. I'll take this off though. Up to the sound. Listening to Tame Impala, of course. Hope everybody's having a good day whenever they see this. This is getting recorded on the 18th and hopefully posted before Christmas. Before Christmas. And I'm letting this grow out. This facial hair thing again. But yeah, this is for Jean Pierre. Let me write his name down. How much shoes? Choose decimal. 2. Sean, I can't even. Sean, I should get a marker. Jean Pierre. Alright, got that. We need tape. That's what I was looking for. I don't get this method. My mom taped the fucking gifting wrapping thing. Now we gotta waste the whole thing. Like, all this shit is basura. These scissors are absolutely ass. Thank God they're right here, man. Garbage because you just have to take them. By the way, I'm wearing the masa poncho that I made. W type shot. Beautiful.
In a river, the color of lead, immerse the baby's head, wrap her up in the news of the world, dump her on a doorstep, girl. This night has opened my eyes, and I will never sleep again. You kicked and cried like a bully child, a grown man of 25. Oh, he said he'd cure your ills, but he didn't and he never will. Oh, save your life, because you've only got one. The dream has gone, but the baby is real. Oh, you did a good thing. She could have been a poet, or she could have been a fool. Oh, you did a bad thing. And I'm not happy, and I'm not sad. A shoeless child on a swing reminds you of your own again. She took away your troubles, oh, but then again she left pain. Oh, please save your life, because you've only got one. The dream has gone, but the baby is real. Oh, you did a good thing. She could have been a poet, or she could have been a fool. Oh, you did a bad thing. And I'm not happy, and I'm not sad. And I'm not happy, and I'm not sad. And I'm not happy, and I'm not sad.
Yeah, it's recording.
guys, I finally made it, bro.
Santa Claus.
Fucking Santa Claus. Oh my
I should have
God.
wasted space and put
Alright.
cheese sugar.
Miss Masa.
What? No. Go ahead.
Here you go, man.
Oh, it's wrapped. Thank you.
Not too much on the wrap.
You said bride? Is it bride?
You're gonna wait until
He's bribing. What you said? He said it's wrapped.
It's wrapped.
I'm agreeing.
Come on, God, a new brave doctor.
Shut up! Before my finals crazy.
I thought it was something useful.
Wait, how do you zoom in on here?
I
How do you zoom in on this?
Okay. Push it this way.
Right. Will it give me luck if I wear it before my final?
I don't know, but hopefully it fits.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Matt.
Got you, man. And then James.
I get a gift? Oh, fuck, wait, hold on. Sick, bro.
I mean, what?
Matt dragged James in here.
Nah, I was here, bro. I was looking for Matt. I was like, bro, the door's closed.
Yeah, we were sleeping.
Said he wasn't picking the hats.
I'm nothing yet. Oh, shit. America? America. Fully racist. I'm gonna be fully racist now. This would be perfect for dead, bro.
It's the baseball World Classic.
Oh, shit. Nice, bro. Thank you. Oh, and it's getting
I don't get hats.
Oh shit, I'll put some.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome, man.
The
No.
goods. The goods. For the goods.
That's good.
Yeah.
Imagine if we got it.
Fucked up. You how was your nap? That was good. But now my head hurts. Was it worth it?
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
See, he wrote my name right.
Duh.
Oh, you can even see it on camera, look. You can see it on camera. Look, that's Matt's handwriting. There you go. I got money.
It's a brand new bike.
She has a Gucci sweater.
Twins.
Oh my god, that's so cute. It's me and it's one of them. Is there a character like that? There's no character. There's no car.
Niño enfermo, bro.
Medicina fucking to call me. It's a mask.
Oh, you spelled my name? Oh, shit.
What is it?
Nobody really knows how to spell my name. I'm gonna say some names.
Yo, there's no fucking way.
That's much harder.
Yes, easy. What is? I don't know what he's talking about right now.
It's so easy on my phone.
You know people misspell my name.
Oh, shit.
And you say you like snooker.
Oh, it's fine.
That's fine.
Oh, you got my size, too.
It's for the YouTube fucking. No, dragon.
Oh my gosh.
Where's the parentheses? Put BTS there. Oh my god, can you print out a picture of my number? Look, it's Snoopy.
You like it? It's not bad. I can't give you my dog, but you know.
It's not big.
I don't want this shit.
She's like, I don't want it. I want the dog. I said, put your dog in a box.
You and the dog?
No, I'm making a joke.
Oh.
Wait, but look.
Hope you guys enjoyed
Thank you, man.
and liked it. Oh, I probably should have said this before. It was all from Coles, so thanks for Coles for sponsoring the video.
Wait, is this Sophie's friend?
Subscribe to the next one.
Subscribe for the next one.
Subscribe to the
Oh my
next
God.
vlog.
That's my dress. This is a dress.
Alright. So what? What the fuck? Look, guys, I put Richard. Look what I put on this.
What? What the fuck?
What is it?
Why do you put that?
I don't know. I was born.
You put Ricardo and stuff.
Damn. Maybe Boston.
That's how the gifting season is, bro.
I'm fucking throwing it at people.
Why y'all opening gently, bro? It's wrapping paper. Rip it, bro.
Bro, it's like
Yo!
Oh, it's gonna look like an ugg now.
What the fuck? I wear those colors, bro. I'm not on.
Sounds me too, gay.
Graphic on back.
oh, it's a cheap shirt.
I wear this at the gym, bro. This is fine.
I hope you like it.
I do.
Why is Sophie laughing in the corner?
Yo, nah, it's not.
Yo.
Get ready. It's time for your gift.
Yeah, don't get him.
Give her a fucking.
Yeah, I'm about
a lump
to.
of
I'm
coal.
reselling it on Depop. Damn.
I was looking at the
Why are you looking at the price? Why are you looking at the price?
Nah, because that's what they be doing.
That's why I took out the price.
That's fine.
Right here. Look, I put this.
Oh, you put that one? Where are you putting? You're using my stickers on that.
Because you guys usually say you don't want it. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Alright, open it.
Oh, okay. I think she spelled it right.
Open it.
Bro, why is that the other? Bro, Charlie said the same thing, bro. He said.
Damn, boy, damn.
Raccoon. Perfect. Oh, wait. Thank you. I actually was going to use something like this tomorrow.
You see?
Thank you. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Where's that second gift at now?
The fuck?
What the fuck?
Bro, Coles don't. I don't got that much Coles money, right? No. Goodbye,
like
Jim.
and subscribe for more.
Please, bro. I need money.
Hit the bell.
What? Graphic on that.
Right.
No one says thank you.
Thank you, Matthew.
Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Matthew.
No, it's fine, bro.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Mr. B. Thank you, Mr. B. Santa hat, bro.
Alright, so Laura, right? I was trying to get you a Snoopy shirt because there was another one. It was blue, but they didn't have your size.
It's fine, bro.
What size is that?
That's medium.
Oh, we all got medium.
We all got medium.
Yeah, you guys are all medium. You said you were small, no?
Oh, yeah, I got small.
I told you I made a smaller medium.
That's what you were asking? Oh, shit.
Yeah, he texted.
Yes.
I was like, fuck, bro. I'm like, well, I'm gonna make it so obvious. So you guys all responded the same thing. I was like, yo, what size are you? You guys told me the size and then said why. I just didn't respond.
But lucky.
What the fuck?
After getting your gift. No, what's it called? I was like, why is he saying this? And then you asked me when I was with Kim. And I'm like, why is Matthew asking me this? She's like, by the way, Matthew gave me a shirt that had a hole in it once. I don't Sophie.
Julius.
I know. Yo, okay, let's read what she got right now. Look, the shit won't focus.
Yo, focus, bro.
Yo.
Look at the whole roster.
The whole roster. You got. Look, we're gonna zoom in right there on the fucking DMs.
The show is going on YouTube, bro.
No, it's not.
Bro, what?
Wait. Okay, if it's going on YouTube, can we show them the most important shit?
Oh, look at what Nancy B said in broski.
Wait, can you scroll up? They're important. There you go. Why is Charlie's sticker the biggest thing on there? Okay, let's go, Catherine.
Paso dinner. What do you want?
I want that big ass
What the fuck?
Wait. You're supposed to follow me. You're just going over there. Alright, guys. So I got Catherine Christmas gift.
I feel like if you were to put like a green filter on this and then put eerie music, it would be so scary.
Guys, what do you guys think? Do you think she's gonna like it or hate?
Save me.
Hello. Tengo un regalo para
Just
ti.
making this is for YouTube.
A gift.
Hey, yo, we doing coke at the SGA.
Oh, wow.
Presents.
What is he saying? Get him out.
We got the co-leader, Jimena.
Con ganas, because everybody was opening it nice and gently. And shit. Yeah.
You still have to be careful with the wrapping.
Yeah.
Dark green. Oh my god. I like yours more than mine. You gotta trade.
I feel like that's right.
I don't know about the size either.
Fuck you. Brock is fresh that shit out, bro.
The fuck?
No, it might fit you.
It might, yeah.
No, it'll fit tightly.
Hey, that's what every guy's saying.
Hey, yo!
No, give me some that camera.
Yes, you got the no camera. I just want to say. I just want to say when you edit it, give us a clip. You know what to do.
No face.
We
no
got like
face.
a billion group chats, bro. Send in one of those. We're really the one where April's in.
So you like it?
What do you mean? We have a bunch of group chats.
Yeah, give it like 10 group chats.
I don't know what they're talking about, bro.
Entonces, ¿te gusta or te gusta?
Yeah, it's cute. I like the color.
But
Nice.
Ya limpiaron la oficina.
See, Kathy, the
Oh,
thing
no?
is that with his
Did you
gift,
guys
he says after he
clean
gives
the
it to you,
office?
so that he
Okay, let's go right now.
that you have to put it on right after to see how it
Let's
looks.
go right now.
No, but you didn't do that.
You told her to go.
Yo, that's what you have to do. That's what I said, for real.
She's gonna come organize her office.
No! She has to go study. She has to go study.
Who?
Unless you're done. You're not done.
She's done?
Bro, why so early? It's the day, right?
No, it's not.
Show the card like that, and then I'll walk in, and I'll act it out.
You're gonna act it out? Oh, wait, I saw it.
Show the
Wait.
So when you hit it, you want to hit it hard.
Okay, so it's like.
Thank you, Michael.
I think I got a paper cut.
You ready?
Okay, what the fuck?
So it's like.
Violin.
And then no. You saw it?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. And then it's like.
Pool, 8-ball pool. Pool cue. 8-ball. Villain. Solitaire. Matthew. You pointed yourself, bro. 8-ball pool. Villain. Pool table bar.
Bro, try to act out the second one, bro. She's not.
The second one?
Yeah.
Swimming. Pool. Swimming pool.
Okay, no. Go. It's okay. So it's.
Oh, wait.
Look. Ready?
Hey, you still got the camera rolling too.
Look.
What the fuck?
Look. Ready?
Okay. Shotgun. What the fuck? You're shooting at it. Shit. Shooting. Shooting what? Shooting swimming? Shooting stars. Shooting pool. Shooting pool? Is that what it is? Okay.
I knew you were gonna say that, bro.
Oh, wait, that hurt my gut.
Oh, easy.
Dart, throwing darts.
Soul music, crazy things.
Fuck. Let's do that second one.
Come on, get over it.
It's for the camera. Okay, floor. You're hopping. You're a rabbit. Oh, what's that game called? I know exactly. It's like. Oh my god. Fuck, why is tic-tac-toe popping in my head? Is that tic-tac-toe? Hopscotch!
Yeah. We got it.
An ally.
Tic-tac-toe.
Okay, we're a good team. I will do it together. Oh,
Stand your side of the board. Alright.
It's a phone.
Switch.
Charger.
Alright, you know, fuck the Rio Grande.
What the fuck, charger? Charging station? Phone charger. iPhone charger. Charging my phone. Okay.
now you do the second one.
California's looking a little bit scrumptious.
Fishing. Go fish. Is that it is? Okay. Oh, chopping down trees. Oh my god. Minecraft. You're chopping down trees. Your hatchet. Tree. The fuck? Do it again. You're cutting down a tree. That's not a tree. You're cutting down something. No? You're hitting some baseball. You're breaking something. Breaking and entering. You're robbing something. I'm sorry. This video's gonna be like 5 minutes fucking long of me on the same fucking word. You're hitting someone. Hitting something. You're killing. You're hitting him. You're abusing him.
Now you try to do the first one.
The fuck? He's hitting. He's batting. Chopping wood. Fuck my knife, bro.
Oh,
Oh, you
looked
saw
at
it.
You lied.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Why do you keep looking at it?
Okay. Is it upside down? Upside down.
Huh.
You're texting the hardest. You're taking a selfie. Stop! Don't get mean.
I didn't take it.
You're taking a selfie, yes?
Yeah, and then you can do a second one.
Sharpening your pencil. What the fuck? Oh my god. Fuck, what's that shit called? You're mowing the lawn. No. Jackhammers. You're driving. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Driving. A wheel. So you just take the wheel. What? You're driving where? Nowhere? Wheel. Wheel? Wheeler? A wheelie? Oh my god, what? Unicycle.
No.
What it's like pumping a tire. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
I was trying to show you driving and then the tire flat and then you pump it.
You bump it. Okay.
For someone who takes calculus, you're not very good at the whole math.
Stretching. Earphones. Headphones. Listening to music. Headphones and stretching. Wait. Which one is this one? Look, these are the green ones. Which way?
Oh, sound it on. What the fuck is? You can't even squirrel. You can't. It's a squirrel bullfrog. You can't. How do you sound out a squirrel?
Yo, they're two. That's a squirrel, no? Is that not a squirrel?
Is there no more?
That's a
Yeah.
squirrel. What the fuck? You said you don't know the
Yeah, but I don't know the other one.
a bullfrog? I don't know. He read it out loud.
What's that?
He said rooster.
Alright. Second,
Sneeze. Fucking sneeze.
It's hard for it, dead.
He's blowing his nose. Okay.
Nothing.
He's snorting up.
I think you're better
Dun
off
dun dun.
Alarm.
Dun.
Alarm. Alarm clock. Well, my alarm clock is that one or the piano.
That was on your side. That was on your side. Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Bro,
The washing
you stuffing shit in it.
blender.
And then the second one.
Mine's somewhere completely different.
I got you.
What the fuck? You're whispering to him. But mine went somewhere different.
It's a laundry.
The hit.
Pink one.
You know the funny
And
part is
then,
there's like so many titles in there that you can play with. Like there's more.
Playing a game. Typing. Computer. Typing on the computer. Writing. Clicking. Typewriter. You know what? I think you
Guys.
hello.
Someone's coming.
Michael.
You fucking. Oh, excuse me. I'm like when. Have you ever seen those movies that's like first person POV?
Yeah. Oh, it's like, oh, you were doing that. I thought you were like.
Is that ready?
That's it. Wait, I got you.
Oh yeah, I'm knocking out for a second. Five Nights at fucking.
Five Nights at B&C.
Five Nights at the Disney.
Here you go.
Hold on.
Night guard.
Oh, night guard. Have you ever seen that video?
Yo, what he bring? Damn, this shit fucking. What the fuck?
Alright, pass it.
Why the fuck are you on the pasta?
Yo, he pulled that shit out of nowhere.
It was in my inventory.
He was in a video game. His inventory is a bunch of.
I'm literally dancing and you cannot see me even.
He opens the door, he's dead ass cooking everybody in here. Guys, I think Freddy's. Where is he? This is gonna be good. Like, it's gonna be like that one YouTuber. You know what I'm talking about?
Wait, there's something called fucking 3 a.m. Five Nights at Freddy's potion. Freddy comes out.
Comes out with the 6'7" kid.
Yes, with the 6'7" kid with 2
I've seen that video, bro.
What are you guys here?
We love the thrill. Oh yeah, we're here for you, Jimena.
Happy birthday. and someone comes and kills us. What the fuck? And then that's the lore here. It's like the girl who was in this room died on her birthday. And now haunts the hallways of the
Now haunts the halls of the SGA.
exactly.
Or the walls of the SGA.
The SGA.
She was a senator.
Instead of La Llorona is La Senator. And because her birthday was 1 month away. She
Y'all are
was in
funny.
the finals. She never made it to her 21. She was never able to drink a 4 Loco.
Hey, that's not true.
She was never able to drink a 4 Loco ever again.
No, she was never able to drink a 4. Guys.
You didn't get the corner. You didn't get the corner. Bro, my dad was pissed. He was like, yo le digo, yo, güey, ya me voy. And then he didn't even talk to me.
Really?
They don't talk to you? Damn, that's crazy.
See, that's how my vision looks.
Like that? Look how bad it looks here. Like the quality. It's because it's like it's supposed to be like an older one.